Eh, di mo pa... Let's unbox Yuna and Yuki's Christmas gift from us. Item number 1. Garfield Daddy Pet Gloves! Kung tinatamad kayo paliguan yung cats nyo or ayaw nilang mapaliguan, this is the product for you. Wow! Amoy mo, amoy mo. Fragrance free o di walang amoy?
Walang amoy.
Ganyan lang. Meron kami ganito dati, pero may fragrance yun. Ito wala. So, mas gusto to ng cats nyo. Parang wipes lang talaga siya. Hey, this is the final result. Parang baby. Next is finger wipes. Look at that. So much. Kinukuha ni Meowdy si Yuna girl. But this is the old one. So I have to wrap it around my finger pa. But this one, you just open this and then insert it. Then there, finger wipes. Linis na ang tinga ni Yun. Hi! Si Yuki hindi ganito kadumi. Babe, gusto ko to. Ano bang chismis ang naririnig mo, girl? Clean ko pa. Very good, oh. Very good. Ay, ang dumi ng tenga ni Yun. Grabe! Pangalawang wipes na to. Meron tayong pet eardrops from Garfield Daddy as well. Hindi ko directly sa ears nga. Mga dito lang. 1, 2, then massage. Super, super clean na ang ears ni Yuna girl. So, ito na ang kanilang Christmas costume next year. Oy, ang cute, oh. Ang cute naman. Ay!
Ganda.
Yan. Check out the yellow basket. Woohoo! Kunin yung Christmas package. Mas sulit siya. Do you like our gift, Yuna girl?